Hamster Kombat's down. Again. But hold on to your whiskers because this time it smells very interesting. Stay tuned and buckle up. I think I've got something epic for you. Before we start, I want to say, this is just a speculation and I wanted to talk about what's possible from the other side. So please take everything I say here with a grain of salt. Alright, Hamster Kombat Warriors. We've been here before, but this time it's different. Our favorite rodent battling app has gone dark once more. But before you start having flashbacks to the last outage, listen up. This ain't your average server hiccup, folks. No, sir. This smells like something big is cooking in the Hamster Kombat kitchen. We're talking potential mind-blowing updates that could turn our furry little fighters into the next big thing in crypto gaming. Now I know what you're thinking. But didn't we just go through this? Yeah, we did. And last time, it was a bummer. But this time, the air is electric with possibility. Let's break it down. A few hours ago, like clockwork, I reached for my phone, ready to claim some more rewards. But instead of the usual squeak of tapping victory, I got hit with the silent treatment. The app's gone quieter than a hamster in a library. At first I thought, here we go again. Another day, another outage. But then I started noticing something different. The chatter in the community isn't just about frustration this time. There's a buzz in the air, a sense that something massive is on the horizon. Think about it. Why would Hamster Kombat risk another outage so soon after the last one, unless they had something truly epic in the works? This isn't just maintenance, folks. This is preparation for something big. I've been digging deep, talking to insiders and piecing together clues. And let me tell you, the possibilities are more exciting than a hamster on an espresso drip. First up, there are whispers about a complete overhaul. The mind boggles at the possibilities. Now, I know some of you are sweating, worried about your hard-earned progress and tokens. But chill, all right? Remember last time? The team made it right. And this time, with something big potentially in the works, you can bet they'll take care of their loyal players. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if we see some serious compensation packages when the game comes back online. We could be looking at exclusive tokens, maybe even early access to new features for those who've stuck around through the outages. So what do we do while we wait for the hamster wheels to start turning again? First off, don't panic. Instead, get ready. This could be your chance to get ahead of the curve. Use this downtime to strategize. If new features are coming, you'll want to hit the ground running. Maybe brush up on your crypto knowledge or study some advanced gaming tactics. When Hamster Kombat 2.0, or whatever they might call it, launches, you'll be primed to dominate. And hey, while you're at it, why not spread the word? If something big is coming, you'll want your friends in on the action. The more players we have, the more epic the game could become. Now I've got to address something. Yes, there are naysayers out there crying rug pull or exit scam. But let's be real. A project this big, with this much potential, doesn't just vanish overnight. The Hamster Kombat team knows they're sitting on a gold mine. They're not about to throw that away. Remember, in the world of crypto gaming, sometimes you've got to break a few eggs to make an omelet. Or in this case, maybe you've got to pause the hamster wheel to build a whole new rodent paradise. So here's the bottom line. Hamster Kombat fam. This outage isn't the end. It's just the beginning. We're on the cusp of something huge. And when those servers come back online, we might just find ourselves at the forefront of a gaming revolution. Keep your eyes peeled for official announcements. Don't fall for FUD or rumors. Stick to the facts and get ready for what could be the biggest comeback in crypto gaming history. And hey, while we're waiting, why not join my Telegram group? I'll be sharing updates, insights, and maybe even some exclusive sneak peeks if I can get my hands on them. The link's in the description, so hop on board. All right, Hamster Kombat Warriors, it's time to get hyped. This isn't just another outage. It's the calm before the storm, the deep breath before the plunge. When those servers come back online, we might just be stepping into a whole new world of rodent warfare. So, what do you think is coming? Drop your wildest theories in the comments. And if you're as excited as I am about the future of Hamster Kombat, smash that like button and subscribe. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. This is your Hamster Combat Insider, signing off. Stay frosty, stay ready, and may your hamsters be ever victorious in the battles to come. Catch you on the flip side, in what might just be Hamster Combat 2.0.